so freaking beautiful. Today's campsite. Have a little stage. You're not ready for the sunset. So freaking beautiful. We're gonna set up camp now and get the night going. Tonight we are making tomato soup and grilled cheese on our little dance platform. So this campground that I rented, they use for like mini DJ sessions. At least that's what it looked like from all the pictures. Like they had like a whole DJ booth right here and stuff. And there's really cute lights that are turning on around us. So technically I think this is supposed to be the dance floor. Catch me dancing on here on the weekend. Shout out Progresso, not sponsored. Shout out Chow, also not sponsored. Alright, we got my vegan grilled cheese and tomato soup.
It's hot.
What is the soup?
Yeah.
It was cold, now it's hot. Yummy. Joshua Tree National Park. We are here. I'm so excited. Me and Ashton woke up early. Ashton got some work done actually, and we did a little yoga flow.
Made some money.
And yeah, now it's time to play all day. We are here until tomorrow, so we have all day to play in the park, and I'm very excited. I've wanted to come to Joshua Tree for like as long as I can remember. It's just one of those parks that is always talked about, but it's like a little bit hard to get to. But yeah, I'm so excited. It is fucking hot out. It's 9:20 right now and it's 85 degrees.
More like 100.
Feels more like 100, and we still got the whole day. So got my trusty little hat. We're definitely gonna have to put some sunscreen on. We just filled up all of our water bottles, so we are prepared, okay? We're prepared. I'm not really sure what our first stop is gonna be. We're definitely gonna see the Jumbo Rocks. We're definitely gonna see the Cactus Garden. But other than that, we're kind of just going with the flow and seeing what we can find out here. We will show you what we find on our day in Joshua Tree. Our car looks so messy.
Yeah, but it's a tornado.
But it's hard living out of your car, okay?
Especially as a chica.
We're doing our best. We're doing our best out here.
All
right. most excited to see. It is the Cholla cactus garden. If you know me, I love my cacti. I love my plants. And this is just so dreamy. Hi there, big boy. Look at these. Look at these. They are just so magnificent. There are just so many of them. And this is a natural garden, so they all just kind of made their way here. They are all around the park, but this is where the majority of them are found. They're beautiful. Oh my god. Been a few hours since I've updated you. We're currently at our last spot until festival day 1, which is tomorrow. We are still in Joshua Tree, but we changed our plans because we kind of realized that we wanted to shower before the festival. And also it was so hot today, so we were just like, you know, let's get somewhere that has a shower and somewhere we can just, you know, relax for the last night. So we decided to get an Airbnb last minute. We somehow found the cutest little Airbnb. I'm literally sitting in the corner on a hammock at this Airbnb. It's so cute. Oh my god, I just showered. A shower after camping for 3 days. Divine. Let me show you what I'm looking at. So this is the house. If you are looking to get this Airbnb, it is called the Doodle Inn, I believe, on Airbnb. It's in the Yucca Valley. We made many pizzas, many vegan pizzas for dinner today. How is it, babe?
Good.
Tasty. Alright, I forgot to give a tour yesterday because we honestly ate dinner and then passed out. But I will give you a tour now.
2 pizza queen.
Yeah, I ate 2 mini pizzas. Let's start with the outside. This is the driveway. All of the Joshua trees hanging out around us. It's so cute. And then there's this little like tree in the front that you can sign. So everyone who's ever stayed here signs this tree, which is like super cute. This is the house, the Doodle Inn. The lady who owns this place, she does a lot of art, so she has like her little doodles right here. She's really talented. And this is the place. It is the cutest little place ever. Got a really cute and colorful living room. Got all of our shit around it, but super cute. The exposed beams are really cute too. This is the kitchen. Here's Ash. Ew. This is the kitchen table. This area looks so cute. So cute. Okay, and then there's this massive sliding door that takes you to the outside. I feel like most Joshua Tree houses, like the main focal point is like the outside section. So yeah, we got a big Jenga right here. I love how a lot of the houses are fenced in with this like aluminum stuff. It looks really cool. We take this to the side of the house and there's like a more like sitting outdoor area, and this is the outdoor tub and shower. I didn't get to use it because I am unsure exactly how. I tried to turn it on and the water was going. Oh, I see. There's that thing that probably needs to be plugged into there. Okay, so I'm dumb, but anyways, outdoor bath, super cute and just like aesthetic as fuck. And yeah, pink rocks to line this thing and a cute little outdoor seating area with a fire pit. Yeah, I've been hanging out on this hammock a lot. Look at this little view. So cute. You get the mountain view and the back. I just like love this place so much. So like I said before, this place is called the Doodle Inn on Airbnb. If you're looking for an Airbnb in Joshua Tree, I definitely recommend it. Super cute place to hang out and escape the desert heat, for sure. So me and Ashton are about to start packing. Whoa. And we are going to hit the road and head to Lightning in a Bottle. I'm so excited. I honestly am kind of sad, like I don't want to leave this place. It's so beautiful, but we got some festival things to do, okay? We got some festival things